Do you know officers are trained to look for unusual things that people do when police come into contact with them, and burping is on there. It's unusual for people to burp or have hiccups. You know, if people are fighting, they're combative, that makes sense. Sometimes people are crying, that makes sense too, but that's also listed there in the unusual things for people to do. It's also unusual, I guess, for people to fall asleep. Except the officer's going to check this box even if you're sleeping when they roll up on you, but yet that's very unusual. They even have laughing. You're not allowed to laugh at the police officer, with the police officer, or in any way around the police officer, or else they're going to mark this as unusual behaviors that you are exhibiting. Officers are trained to do weird things. You think this is fair?